Hello, welcome to Possys tutorial. Today we are going to see how to create a product. Select product option under the master menu. Enter or scan the barcode. Leave it if the product doesn't have any barcode. Type name in your local language or name field. Second name on subname field. Select category, select tax type. Include and exclude. Include means the product total selling price is include tax and other is before tax. Example, a product with sell price is 10 rial. If the product type is include, then the product total price will be 10 rial. If tax type is exclude, then the total price will be 11 rial and 50 halala. Then select tax value, unit type. Enter sell price. If you leave the sell price as 0, then always will ask the price while sales. Buy price is optional. Finally, save.